things like data science and machine learning are not competitors or steps on a ladder. They're steps in the process. So the physical systems of sensors and databases that are in place are merely there to obtain the data and store it somewhere. Right? In an AI project, 80% of the manual work, the human work involved, is cleaning the data. If you have an expansive system of sensors, some of those sensors will malfunction, right? So you have to deal with all the usual stuff: missing data, wrong data, drifting sensors, all sorts of issues. Then for certain types of questions asked by machine learning, you will want to exclude or include certain types of data. Those decisions have to be made by people, but then they have to be executed by those people too. And so that takes time. And then there's data science. Data science will do things like identify the right variables. So let's say I want to forecast a certain vibration. What variables are informative to do that, to forecast this? So there is a subset. How do I find that subset? That's a very tricky question. And it's partly a question to people who know their stuff, and it's partly a question to the data. So that's a data science question. Then can I somehow transform my data set to be a different data set that is more informative? Right? So all of that is intellectual work. It is collaborative teamwork, and that happens in rooms. It is called feature engineering, which is absolutely crucial in the process. And then once I've done all of that data science, then I can do machine learning. Now the only thing left to choose, but it's easier, is what type of model am I going to use? Once I make that choice, there are several that are called hyperparameters that I have to choose next. Unfortunately, at this point in time, the holy grail of all of machine learning and AI is how to tune the hyperparameters automatically. Spoiler alert, nobody knows. At the moment, the only way we know how to do this is brute forcing it. But it's worth it because that leads to good results. And that would be the major machine learning effort. And then once you've discovered the right type of model and the right set of hyperparameters, then you just train them all, and there you go. Right?